In the world of high-fidelity audio, engineering meets art. This is the anatomy of sound. It starts with ergonomics. High-density memory foam provides the perfect acoustic seal, isolating the listener from the outside world. Precision-engineered sliders allow for a customized fit, ensuring consistent pressure across the temporal bone. Durability is key. Reinforced hinges are tested for thousands of cycles to withstand the rigors of daily use.
Deep inside lies the driver, the heart of the headphone, where electricity transforms into emotion.
A powerful neodymium magnet creates a permanent, stable magnetic field, providing the flux necessary for rapid movement. The voice coil, thinner than a human hair, sits suspended in the magnetic gap, waiting for the electrical signal. The diaphragm must be incredibly light to move fast, yet rigid enough to prevent distortion at high volumes. This motor unit is the engine. The tighter the tolerances, the more accurate the sound reproduction.
When the audio signal flows, it creates a fluctuating magnetic field in the coil, opposing the permanent magnet.
This electromagnetic interaction pushes and pulls the diaphragm at specific frequencies, the birth of sound waves.
By moving the air, the headphone creates sound pressure levels that our ears interpret as pitch and volume.
The internal chamber is tuned like a musical instrument, using damping materials to eliminate standing waves. In modern wireless headphones, the internal circuitry manages power and signal integrity. Exterior microphones constantly monitor ambient noise, sampling the environment hundreds of times per second. The processor creates an anti-noise signal, canceling out distractions before they ever reach your ears. Advanced wireless protocols ensure low-latency streaming, maintaining audio fidelity without the wires. Power management systems ensure hours of playback from a single, fast charge. Engineering, physics, and electronics perfectly synchronized to bring you the ultimate listening experience.